What's up guys, Kevin here with the CRKT M16. As you can see there, CRKT. This is the Tanto style blade. It is pretty thick for a pocket knife. I like my pocket knife or EDC knife to have a little bit of serrations, and I do like the Tanto style blade, so that's why I got this. Got this for about 21 bucks on, I think it was Mountain Climber from eBay, something like that. As you can see, there's CRKT with the little CRKT symbol. On the back here, I doubt you'll be able to see, but it says Carson Design M16 10OZ, or 1OZ, sorry about that. US Pat number 5596808. As it says, it's only 1 ounce. It's a very light knife. I like that. It's very easy to tighten up, and even on the to tighten up and loosen up, there's even a little bit of texture jimping there. Not sure exactly what it is. I think it's 440A. I'm pretty sure it has G10 handle scales, and the literal scales in there, I believe, also 440, the same as the pocket clip. Well, maybe, I don't think the pocket clip, but the blade. So I'm not sure what the pocket clip is made out of, but it's really nice. It's, not wiggling everywhere. It does kind of move to the side a little bit, but it's easy to put back and not a very big problem. The blade is about, I want to say, 2.5 inches, maybe 3. It has a pretty good handle size. I can fit my whole hand on there. The G10 handle scales have a little bit of texture to them, but not that much, which is not really a problem. See the knife design all there together. Yeah, the G10 scale has holes on each side to skeletonize it a bit, and let me tell you, this is a very light knife. The locking is a liner lock with kind of a twist. Alright, so as you can see there, you can't just make it go down in there. I'm pressing, and it doesn't go down. There is a little red knob thing here. You press it back, which I go like this, and then as you saw me just flip that open tight, that's just how loose it is from the factory. It is not it's not spring assisted, but if you go fast enough, you can sometimes get it open there. But it works best, just a flick of the wrist, and it opens straight up, and it's good. The thumb studs on each side are texturized, same as this right there. But the thing is, they're right up against the knife here, which is the only thing that flaws this knife. So sometimes you can do that, but I can't. I'm really bad at it. You can't flick it open though. With most knives, say the Spedicoat Chalkway, it has a hole, and you can just flip it open like that. With this, you cannot do that. Or something like the Buck, I don't remember what, Buck Lightning. I actually just tightened it up, and I gotta put some grease on there. But see, with this, when it's loose enough, I don't use this knife that much anymore, but when it's loose enough, you can get it in there and flick it open. This isn't the best one to do it with, because if you look at the thumb stud, it's kind of weird rounded. But see, you can still just a little bit. If you want to compare, remember this had a teeny bit of chip off the blade. That was fixed, but they're about the same in blade length. They actually don't make this knife anymore, which is pretty sad. Just for fun, comparing it to the Spectacle Chalkway, it blows it away. This is a great overall EDC knife, and me personally, this became one of my favorite knives ever. It has a little hole there, which is kind of useless. I don't know why that's there, but it kind of looks like they wanted to lighten this knife up in every single way they could. They took holes out from everywhere except for the blade. There's jimping on the flipper, and if I didn't already show, there's a good bit of jimping on there. And it's pretty deep, and it feels real good. Not sure how I'm really gonna do this, but this knife has serrations, so it's kind of hard unless you just use the serrations. But if you didn't see that, then that was the blade right there. That was the blade again. Let's show some more serrations. This is one of the sharpest knives I own right now. This is factory edge with use. Hardly even, just with the knife's weight, it goes right through it there. So overall, it has a great price. Columbia River Knife and Tools is obviously the person who makes this. That's what CRKT stands for. The box, I'll give you a show it to you real quick. Should have unboxed it from the beginning, just to show you here, but it says M16 1 ounce carbon design. Carson design, I mean. Product of China, printed in China. It's a cardboard box. I have an unboxing of this too. eBay unboxing. Safest folders on the planet. Auto locks. That shows you how to use the lock. Tough knives for tough times. This is pretty much, the CRKT. This is pretty much showing some of the other knives. The other one was kind of an instruction manual. So that's my review on the CRKT M16. I love this knife. If I didn't already say, quickly became one of my favorite knives. So if you find this, go ahead and pick it up. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later.